Hello all. In this video, we are going to discuss about Odoo 15 Fiscal Localization Package for Austria. Odoo ERP is one of the prominent business management solution which is available with advanced features and functionality. And localization is one of the key feature of this platform. Generally, the fiscal localization package that Odoo offers will benefit your company to ensure the advanced performance based on specific region of operations. And these are country-specific modules that encompasses pre-configured taxes, chart of accounts, fiscal positions, legal statements, and several additional features which are necessary for the smooth functioning of the ERP in the selected country. So let's have a look on to the fiscal localization package for Austria. So before moving into that, let's see how we can create a company under a specific localization or a region. For that, let's go to the settings. Under settings, we have the options to create companies under the users and companies. So from here you can see we will have an options to create the company. So within this you can create the company where you have the general information such as the address, VAT number, then company registry, similarly currencies, then other related informations related to website and all. And here you can see when you mention the country itself, automatically the currency is also updated. And similarly here you can see you have a company registry. So basically company registry is nothing but the company registration number. And also you have the options to mention the VAT units for the company also. So from the settings for a specific country based on the localization, you can set up the company over here with these details. So from the settings, you can set up the company details. Now let's save this. Now let's install the Austria Accounting to see what are the changes that it brings to Odoo. So for that, you can go to App Store and you can check for the module. So here you can see for Austria localization, we are having two modules, that is Austria Accounting as well as Austria Accounting Report. So basically these are the two modules that we have in Odoo 15 associated with the corresponding countries. So here we have installed both the modules. Now let's see what this modules brings up in Odoo 15. So let's first of all look about Austria Accounting module. So let's check the features that it adds upon in accounting module. So first of all, if we go to the settings of the accounting module, we would be able to see that the default taxes that is generally applied for the local transaction would be automatically updated based upon the localization that we have installed. So currently we have installed Austria Accounting for this purpose. So here you can see accordingly the corresponding sales tax as well as the purchase tax are updated. So this is one of the feature when we install Odoo 15 Fiscal Localization Package for Austria, that is Austria Accounting from the App Store. Now similarly, when you scroll down, you can see the physical country, that is the domestic country that is used for accounting purpose is automatically set as Austria. So this is also based upon the module that we have installed, that is the Austria Accounting module. And also along with that you can see the currencies are also updated with that. So these are the few changes that happens in the settings of the accounting module. Now let's see what happens to the chart of accounts. So if we see the chart of accounts also, you can see with the corresponding localization, That is, with the installation of Austria Accounting module in Odoo 15, you can see it helps to automatically install the corresponding country's chart of accounts. So basically, these are the corresponding chart of accounts for the country basis. So here you can see with the installation of that module, the corresponding chart of account is updated over here, and here you can see the related informations in the setup. When you click on the setup, you will able to see the info related to that particular chart of accounts, or you can also create a new one from here. So basically we can say that with the installation of Austria Accounting module of Odoo 50 from the App Store, you can see it defines the following chart of accounts template. So this one happens. Now let's check with the taxes. So as we have seen that automatically with the updation or with the installation of that module, it automatically adds upon the taxes, and those taxes you can also list it out under here, that is under configuration. You also have the options to view those taxes. So from here also you can list out those taxes which are based upon the tax type, that is sales as well as purchase. Here you can see also similarly you can group them also. So based upon different things you can also group them. So there is also a change or updation with the taxes also. If you want to create a new one, you can create it from here also. Now let's see what is other feature that add upon with the installation of Austria Accounting. So here you can see physical position. So you can also see that with Odoo 15 package installation of Austria, the physical localization is also updated. Here you can see for that corresponding localization or Austria, you can see the physical positions are generated. Here you can see these are the physical positions with the country Austria generated over here. So these are the few physical position that is updated with the installation of Austria Accounting module in Odoo 15. So physical position is also another update that happens here. So these are the few changes or features that occurs with the installation of Austria Accounting module in case of Odoo 50. That is, with installation of Austria Accounting module, it defines the following chart of accounts template. Similarly, it defines this default taxes, that is the sales and purchase taxes. Also, it defines the physical positions for Austrian physical legislations, we can say. Now, here is the features, that is which was related to Austria Accounting module. Now the next module or the feature that is associated is related to Austria Accounting Report. So with the installation of this module, let's see what are the changes that happens. So I have already installed this module. So basically with the installation of this Austria Accounting reporting module, we can see that under the reporting we are having two menus. So generally with the installation of Austria Accounting Report module, it defines the following report, that is one among them is this profit and loss, and another one is the balance sheet one. So here you can see we will get the balance sheet report, that is this we can consider as a balance sheet report, that is 224 UGB, that is balance sheet report. And similarly here you can see you have the options to compare as well as to filter out as of the corresponding date. And similarly in reporting you will have 231 UGB, that would be corresponding to profit and loss statements. So here you can see you have an options to view. With Austria Accounting Reporting module, you get a profit and loss as well as the balance sheet in their addition, you can see. So these are the few updation or the features that is associated with the installation of Austria Accounting Report. So basically with Austria localization in Odoo 15, we are having these two modules, that is Austria Accounting as well as Austria Accounting Report. So with Austria Accounting installation, it provides changes in chart of accounts, automatically update the default taxes. Similarly, the physical currencies and countries are updated. Similarly, it also add upon the physical localization. And also with Austria Accounting Report, it defines certain profit and loss as well as balance sheet report. So these are the two features that we get with the installation of Austria Accounting in case of Odoo 15. Thank you for watching this video.